Hello dear students, here it's Bal Krishna Shetty, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine there with your parents. Today I am going to explain you a new topic that is from chapter 6 integers, rules of addition and subtraction. Rules of addition and subtraction. Here I am writing rules of addition and subtraction. So the first rule is if there are two numbers with positive signs, if there are two numbers both are having positive signs, so plus plus is equal to plus, we will add both those number with each other, then the result will be with the sign of a positive. Result will be with a positive sign. So you have to remember, if two numbers are there with positive sign, so plus plus is equal to plus and the sign will always be positive. Okay, simple thing is that. Now the second thing is this, here if both the numbers are having negative signs, both the numbers are having negative signs, so again minus minus is equal to plus, that means we will add both those number with each other. Now here the sign will be negative along with the answer. So the basic difference you can see from the first and the second rule is that the result will be here in second case will be negative, and in first case the result will be along with the sign of positive. So in first case plus plus is equal to plus means we have to add both the numbers with each other. Okay, but the sign will always be positive along with the answer. But in second case minus minus is equal to, again we have to add both those numbers with each other, but the sign will always be negative along with the answer, or you can say the result whatever you get in your calculation. Okay, now the two rules are have explained to you. Now the third one is when both the signs are negative. I have explained about it. When both signs are negative, now if both numbers have opposite signs, what will we do? Both the numbers are having opposite signs. Now comes the third rule. If one number is with a negative sign and the other number is with a positive sign, so minus plus will always be minus. If both numbers are having opposite signs, then we will have to subtract both those numbers with each other. Okay, one with a negative sign and the other number will with a positive sign, so we will subtract both those number, but now the sign will be come with the result will be of the greater number. Sign will be of the greater number. Okay, if we are having two numbers with opposite signs, one with negative and other with positive, so minus plus will always be equal to minus, but the result will come up with a sign of the greater number. I will show you one example here. Minus 11 plus 20. Yeah, both the numbers are having opposite signs, one with negative, other with positive. So minus plus is equal to minus. So 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. Now which number is greater from 11 and 20? 20 is greater, so sign will be positive, because 20 is a positive number with positive sign, so the answer will be along with a positive sign. Now if another example, minus 11 plus 6, again minus plus minus, 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, but here the greater number is 11 with a negative sign, so the answer will come up with a negative sign, so the final answer is minus 5. Okay, so these are the three rules of addition and subtraction which you have to memorize properly and thoroughly. Okay, now I end my lecture. Bye for now. Take care of yourself and your parents.